Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. Now we will see how to install the Ubuntu, that is the Linux operating system. So here we go with the installation process for Ubuntu Linux. So now in the last video we created a virtual machine for Ubuntu Linux. So in this video we will see the installation of Linux. So for this we need to provide the installation disk to our virtual machine. So we will go to the settings, and in storage we need to provide our installation disk. So we'll select the controller IDE empty, and here we will select the ISO image file for our virtual machine. So we'll choose a ISO image file that we have downloaded from the internet. So you can download the Ubuntu 20.04 version by going to the www.ubuntu. I have already downloaded the ISO file, that is the virtual disk file, and click on open. Now you'll see the desktop, the ISO file has been selected for this virtual machine. Now click on OK. So now we need to power on the virtual machine. So right now it is powered off. You can start the virtual machine by right clicking on this and click on start, or you can simply click on the start button here, the icon here, and the virtual machine will start. So it's asking you to select the startup disk. So this is our startup disk, and click on start, and the installation process is starting. So this is the dashboard for installation. The language you select is English, and click on install Ubuntu. The keyboard layout English US. Click on continue. This is a normal installation, so we are not going to download any updates for the Ubuntu. Click continue. Erase the disk and install Ubuntu, and click on install. So now it will select the disk that we have created for our virtual machine, and it will start the installation in that selected disk. Click on continue. So select the region in which you are located. So I am located in India, so we select the map of India, and the time zone selected is Kolkata, and click on continue. You provide a name for your system, so I'll provide the name as student, and the password, and click on continue. The installation will take some time, so have patience and relax. So the installation is completed. Now we'll restart the system and the virtual machine will restart. And this is how we install the Ubuntu Linux operating system. So I'll log in with the password that we had entered during the installation. And this is the desktop of Ubuntu Linux, where we will be using or where we'll be learning all the commands and see how we can use Linux. So in the next video we will see what is the Linux architecture. So before we start using any operating system, we need to know the architecture of Linux operating system. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel. And please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.